Okay, so today we're in the office recording this video because I have other shit to do after this. So I thought I might as well do this now. Unfortunately, we keep getting absolutely cooked in every single trade. This has not been the week that I was waiting for, but hopefully tomorrow with, full port NFP day, we will get something better, hopefully. So today down $10.87, actually like $11 in total on the day. Ended up taking way too many trades today. It's just not what I need, bro. Not what I need. Anyways, so let's go over the trades that we took today. I didn't end up trading anything on my funded account. Because I just couldn't really find anything. Again, price has been so whack recently. It's kind of difficult to predict where we want to go. So price, I kind of had originally a bearish bias because of the following reasons. So let's just go to replay mode so we can see. We were clearly, after taking out previous week's high, we clearly wanted to continue lower after this hour inversion. It's super clear to me that we want to continue lower. We did have this hourly gap right here, and then also this one up here, right? What I wanted to see, which unfortunately didn't happen, well, it kind of did, was us come up into here and then continue lower, or come up into here, take out these highs, continue lower. In this case, we'll be taking out these highs. We also had 8:30 a.m. news, so that was also another good draw on liquidity that I thought was going to get hit, but I got absolutely fucked on that. But yeah, so going into 30-minute, I guess we'll leave replay mode for now. You'll see that price ends up coming up into the hourly, filling it perfectly, which unfortunately happened at 8:30, which is exactly when unemployment news came out, which is what I thought was going to be a strong draw on liquidity today, but clearly not the case. We reacted off of this. I even said on Discord, it's I really want to take this 15-minute inverse or 5-minute inverse that we had right here, but it's right before market open and we have a data wick right above. So it's you don't trade against a data wick. This is such a strong draw on liquidity. I actually took a trade on this. So if you go to the 1 minute up here, you'll see that we had a perfect 1 minute inversion after reaching the middle of these gaps. We literally inverse this one right here with a devil wick too. I can't believe that this didn't work out, given that this was a data high at 8:30, as you can see right there. I was so surprised. I would have full ported all my funded accounts on this. If I didn't have NFP tomorrow, I would have full ported all of my accounts on this, 100%. Not even a question. This is perfect. We have a clear, the only thing I think the only reason why we went down is because we took out this data high on London. I think that was the main reason, but we took it before the 8:30 news came out. So just, I don't know, kind of difficult to predict market today. But what ends up happening is we open, we chop around, we open, we just shoot lower immediately, and I was hoping one of two things. So obviously we have a giant gap right here, which we can't disregard. I was going to see if this right here gives us a reaction up, we're probably going to want to come up into these data highs. But if we continue trading below it, I'm going to wait for a retrace and then continuation lower. Ideally into obviously what would have been these lows, and then all the way back here into all of these lows down here, which I think we're still going to target this low right here. What ends up happening is we make a 15-minute gap after waiting forever. Make our giant 15-minute gap. Perfect. We have a 15-minute gap. Price trades up into there. Cool. I like to see that. Then we see some bearish moves down. So I actually didn't even wait for an inverse rally gap. Me seeing this change in state of delivery off of this this candle closure right here, taking out all these lows and closing very strongly, was enough for me to think that we were going to continue all the way down here. I went break even very quickly because we had a 5-minute gap right here. So unfortunately I got stopped at break even. And price kind of just bullshit all the way down. And we haven't even taken the low yet. So as you can see, we just chopped around the rest of the day. It's a really difficult day. I ended up taking a trade on the live account. I think I took this, and I held all throughout the day thinking it was just gonna like be all the way down here by then. I opened the chart and and we're like right here, and I'm like, dude, seriously? So I just go break even because I don't want to really work around chop, and I get, we push and then I get stopped at break even like around here, and then I don't even know what's going on now. So that's what happened today. The market moved down. It's just because I think we're in an overbought zone. I mean, clearly this is gonna be a continuous uptrend now. I think that we might come down and take out these previous week lows, but I honestly think that this is just gonna continue higher. I mean, look at this trend. It's clearly going up, so we'll see what happens tomorrow, especially with NFP. We'll see if price launches up or not, but this week has been very, very difficult. It has not been easy. The only trade for the day would be, and I personally don't really like trading this because predicting how far up price is going to go in a retrace trade is very difficult. I'd rather just I don't have like a clear draw on liquidity on this, so that's why I was like, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure on these trades. We also had swept this hourly low down here. We had swept this hourly low down here and down here, and then we made a perfect. I'll go to the 2 minute. We made a perfect 2 minute inverse. Really good closure, really good momentum. We basically get fucked. And then we make a perfect 3 minute, and then this 3 minute works for some reason. Thing is, if I take this 3 minute, I'm not sure where price is gonna react. I like to have a very clear target, so I don't like taking these trades back up to the range. I'd rather take a trade from like the reaction range down. So this 3 minute trade was not valid for me, at least. I didn't like it at all. I also I would usually, even if I did take this, I would usually be targeting the middle of the gap at least, for it to be a worth trade. Probably put my stops around there, but even then, we didn't even get there. We just chopped up, and then we just chopped around the entire rest of the day. So today was just really difficult overall. I'm not even gonna open the ES chart. That was even worse. But it is what it is. Unfortunately, we're down to half of our starting balance on the live account. I think this trading week has been absolute hell. But all we need is a couple good trades, and we'll get back up to $100, and if I blow the account, that's fine. I'll open another $100 live account. It's not the end of the world. So I'll leave this video at this. I know it's been shorter ones recently. I mean, I've been really busy doing stuff, and I'm kind of I'm developing a new addition to my strategy, which is utilizing CSID better, break a structure, change its delivery, same thing, CISD, not CSID. And it's because it'll allow me to enter sooner at half positions and then enter full at my usual inversion position. So I want to see that. How that works. I'm going to do a ball back testing today, and I'll probably make a video about that in the future. But we'll leave these recaps here for now. I need to, obviously move on from this difficult day. It is what it is. Price has not been the best at the beginning of the year. Shit happens. And we just have to figure it out. That's all. All right. I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's episode. It'll be somewhere else because I'm not going to be around, but I'll still make it, and you guys will see everything that I did. I'm going to try to record me passing all the funded accounts so I can put it on the video as well. All right. Peace out.